Alright guys, we're gonna do some unboxing today. This is the WAVLINK USB 3.0 dual bay docking station. Let's open it up. There's an unboxing, guys. Let's unbox something here. Alright, get out of the box. Holy. So, there it is, wrapped in plastic. It's the satisfying thing, guys. It's not really satisfying to have to remove this rubbish. But, holy shite. I'm gonna end up breaking this thing before I can take this plastic off. Alright, well, you know, gonna have to find a tool of sorts. There we go. Alright. That's really cool. Takes 2.5 and 3.5 inch drives. It can copy, duplicate discs offline. Don't even have to connect it to a computer. You got your USB port there, DC 12 volt supply, which probably will work with my other external hard drive. On off switch, nice retro rocker on off switch. Looking good, looking real good. And the magic happens when you plug it in. You got a nice, beautiful light going on there, and it works as an external hard drive reader. Inside the box, got the plug and the USB. Instruction manual and an adapter. Wonderful. Fabulous.